Hello everybody, and welcome to the first box break for EPCards. Just a little bit of information about my channel. It's going to be for opening sports cards mostly, eventually maybe getting into other things, maybe some Pokemon, stuff like that. Really, I just wanted to start making videos just to show, what's pulled out of stuff and the different types of cards. And I know I've always liked watching the videos that I see. Right now, I am a collector, and I do also resale. Right now, I'm just on eBay. I haven't got a website up and running yet, but maybe someday soon I will get that. So basically, everything that I pull, that I collect, I keep. Everything else I resell so I can buy more product. Today, first box, I just figured I'd go something little just to get used to doing this. First box is the 2023 Topps Chrome Mega Box, I guess you want to call it that. It's got the exclusive X-Fractor parallel cards in it. There's 10 of them in there. This is something that some card shops have, something you can grab from Walmart, stuff like that. I just figured I'd go something light for my first one. Eventually, I'd like to get into multiple box breaks and stuff like that. Let's see what's in this thing. All right, let's see what we get. First pack. It's kind of rough. Okay, let's see. We got a Hunter Brown. We got Shane McClanahan, Ezekiel Duran. Not really the greatest on pronouncing names, so some of them I may mess up. Gabriel Marino, Nate Eaton, looks like a silver prism refractor. Yep, refractor. And then first X-Fractor, Jeter Downs. Next pack, we got a Charlie Blackmon, Yadier Molina, Tyler O'Neill, Mookie Betts. Looks like we got two of the X-Fractor in this pack. Looks like a CJ Abrams and Francisco Alvarez. Not numbered on either one of them. It's just weird. I never really got two in the same pack, but they do that sometimes. I guess if there's 10, there's only 7 packs in here. Pretty sure that's what it was. Yep, 7 packs. So that would be why there's a couple in each pack. All right, next pack here. We have Josh Bell, Lewis Robert, Jordan Walker, Javier Aceda, Miguel Cabrera, and an O'Neill Cruz X-Fractor. Next pack here. We got Nick Prado. Looks like we got a Trey Turner, Miguel Vargas, Cade Sevilla, And a Titans, Max Scherzer, not numbered. And Sean Murphy, another X-Fractor. Alright, we have a JJ Beetle, or Beldy, Mackenzie Gore, Hunter Green, Garrett Mitchell, Ryan McMano, can't even say the names right, and Christopher Morel, both X-Fractors. Two more packs here. All right, we have Raymond Laureano, Luis Ortiz, Austin Riley. We got Rhys Hoskins and an Oswalt Pereza. Looks like the 88 Topps version. And a Tyler Stevenson X-Fractor. Last pack here. Let's see what we got. We have a Sterling Marte. We have Jake McCarthy, Kyle Stowers. Oh, what is that? That's a nice looking card. We have a Corbin Carroll, Topps Technicolor. Not numbered that I could see anywhere on there. That's a nice looking card. Nice looking card. Trevor Story X-Fractor and a Yu Darvish X-Fractor. So that's all the packs we had from that today. Move these out of the way just so I can put those there in frame for you just to look at. The X-Fractors, I kind of like these. I like how they did that this year with the, you know, being in the mega boxes here, but I'm sure you can get them different ways sometimes, but I don't know. They worked out pretty good. All right, everybody. That's going to be it for this video. I will try and get, you know, up to 2 or 3 videos a week, maybe even more. It just depends if I get the time and the product. All right. Until next time. Thanks.